It's clear, moving on!
Come out with your hands up! Don't see anyone, moving on!
Looks like he slipped by, better call it in.
Something over there. Shh. What was that?
Gonna move on.
Let's close it up. He slipped through.
Okay, that's pretty good. Oh no.
Oh no! Operative down!
Powering up. System check.
Sweet! Let's roll.
All units, we're in pursuit of a stolen vehicle from the movie studio.
I see him. We're in pursuit now.
Squad, be advised that a possible suspect or suspects have been reported near your location.
Feel the need.
The need for speed.
Car in pursuit of suspect.
You are not authorized to drive this vehicle.
Well, I'm authorizing myself, motherfucker. Rich, you hear this? The car's talking.
Units are on the suspect's location. Squad, we have civilians down. Dispatch, can you run a check? Is this a part of the movie? Advised, a patrol car has been dispatched after
Your
the suspect.
face is too dark for my sensors to read.
Bitch, I'm black and I'm proud. Tell your senses to calibrate that.
I have no reference for black.
No, of course you don't.
A patrol car has been dispatched after the suspect.
Keep your hands and feet inside the tornado at all times.
Hang on to your innards, Devin. Together, we will carve up the streets.
Wait, did you just say a line from the movie? Rich, you hearing this?
I am one nitrous-jacked smart car.
Copy that. A patrol car is en route to the suspect.
Oh, wait, did you just say the car quoted the movie?
Yeah.
That is so meta!
All units, suspect is still in the vicinity. Let's find him.
Still no sign of advised. Units are en route to the suspect's location.
I'm clear.
Meet you at the garage.
On my way.
Come on, just move! Ah!
I am Devin Von Devin, and I am...
You are not Devin. Devin Von Devin is handsome and swarthy. You are not.
Oh, come on. I'm sure as hell swarthier than any dude named Von Devin. Damn, Silicon Valley couldn't hire one brother?
My Galilei creators think of everything.
Yeah, maybe not everything.
Shit, look out!
Oh man, this car is something else.
Yeah, well, kudos to Galilee for getting the studio to pay for this lemon.
Lemon, did you hear it? And never mind voice recognition. I mean, sure, it needs a smack-up-sided scripting, but it had cogent responses. Do you know how much work had to go into that? Galilei has been talking about machine learning for their Mars probe, but man, I didn't expect it to be as advanced as it... What? Oh, man. I know it!
I do not approve of you driving me, Marcus. You're not as swarthy as Devin Von Devin.
I knew it had too much smart ass to be smart.
Wow. Shiny and new.
So it wasn't responding at all?
Well, does that count?
Yeah, fuck you, man. Fuck you.
The car's designed for autonomous control, but nothing's there or even calibrated. It's capable, but suboptimal. Not junk.
See? That's what I'm talking about. Think positive.
It's just stupid. So that's the plan? Fix a smart car the space company couldn't?
Problem?
No, we got this.